The buckets will go down on 5, 6, 7. That's beat 8. So I'm talking for videotaping. This is beat 8. Step with the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Left foot. 5, 6. Down 7. Flat. Step 1. Cross 2. Turn 3. Over the bucket 4. Step 1. Take it back. Kick 6. Down 7. Up 8. Drop 1. Out 2. And 3. Pop 4. Roll 5. Swing on 6. And 7. Sit 8. 1. Heels out. 1 and 2. 3. 4. Variation 1 goes 5 and 6. 7. 8. The other variation. 1 and 2. 3 and 5, 6, 7. That's it. All right. Brush. They're brushing to the place. The guys are coming in. They set the buckets down on the 8. Ladies get to place. They're going 5, 6, 7. Step out wide on the 8. 8. Then you got the pattern. Starch. Tap 1 and 2. Slam 3 and 4. And throw 5 and 6. Round 7 and 8. Step right. Down 2. Pick it up 3. Throw 4. Catch 5. Down 6. Hop turn. Over here 8. And a 1. 2. Up 3. 4. 5. And we're out of 6. 7 and an 8. Hold 1 and a 2. Top 3. Down 4. Next. 5 and a 6. 7 and an 8. Go to your knee. Great. All right. Girls are here. You're going to throw the hand open. Boom. Like that. Get it washed right away. Guys, are just gesture. Ready, go. Get it washed right away. Guys, lift. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. All the way up, guys. And then guys are going to go down, up, ready, go. Get it washed. Right away. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. One window here. It's easy. One window. All right. Ladies, it got in with 1. Sorry, it goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Whoa, goes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Whoa, oh. Next, start to the right, girls. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Sorry. 1. How do you do that? Just messed it up. Hold on. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Ready, go. 1, arms, keep on coming. Oh, I messed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, just coming. 2, 2. I messed it up. Sorry. Everyone got it? Remember? Go over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next goes to the right. 1, 2, 3, get a turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to go to the, say it's always cool. Just blanket. Jasper, 7, and swing. Reverse, 2, 3, pull, and pause. Go by sometimes if you pop and pull. That's the idea. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Jasper, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and balls go by sometimes if you pop and pull. That's it. Great. Guys are up. White guys with buckets. And the scarves in the right hand for the girls, they went at the pool, at the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Pivot turn, 5, 6, toss the scarf. Those who have to get scarves, they toss it to the guy, and the guys catch it. With their hands out.
Okay, thank you.
Continue on with car wash, 3 and 4.
Natalie was a little panic.
At the
Cool.
Car wash,
Thank you very
yeah.
much.
And then we have a, no, we have a pivot turn again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, no, you got 2, that's what it was. And we got 1, 2, boom. Slide, and then you walk to the next block. Alright, here's the guys. On top of the bucket. Active pool. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Working at the car wash, yeah. And make it at the start. 6, 7, 8. Grab one of the buckets. Girls hand it. It goes to your right hand, guys. You go. Car wash. Swings first. Ready, go. Car wash, circle around, pow, pow, circle around. Car wash, yeah, da, da, do, 2. No, sorry, girls go up. I forgot. Girls go, get a wash, guys go right away. Remember what I'm talking about? Girls go, get a wash, guys, right away. We all come down to the, guys, we're going to the outside of the bucket. It goes down, forward. And that's it. You have the bucket. Start back to the girl. Grab your bucket. And we go to the next blocking. For now, here's the blocking. First legs are going. Legs are spinning here. Pop, 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 pop. Girls go. You gotta wash. Guys are up here. Guys go right away. We all go lower your hand to the, and then the girls are doing to the, and I was starting 1, 2, da 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 do. That's it. That's all you got. You gotta move it. I think you're gonna go pop, drop. That's it. You gotta move. Guys who are 7, 8 goes down. 1.